You don't stop gassing about, I've read a wonderful screenplay, that guy has written a screenplay, you should see part A and part B and scene act, and stop that. Write. If you're a writer, write. If you're editing, edit. If you think you're a director, bloody well go out and make a movie. You don't need to make a feature movie. You can take a bloody mobile camera, go out, shoot your colleague doing something funny, whatever it is, and show it and make a little movie. Or you go out, take a DV cam which is at your home. If you have a brother, sister, anybody, if somebody is having a birthday party at home, you can shoot. What I'm saying is, these are things which you use and start using it again and again. When you shoot with your mobile camera and show something to a friend of yours and say, hey, listen, how's this clip? The reaction that you get from the person, what the hell is this? Oh, I can't even see properly. What is it? Shit, it's got stuck. Why does it get stuck? Crazy, yaar. Or it's great. This is exactly the reaction you will get when you start making films. Okay. So what I'm saying is, the third portion is, whatever you're doing, start honing your skills. Honing your skills is like a knife, you need to keep doing this. You need to sharpen your skills, and it can never end. If you're a writer, write. You write, you show it to somebody. You show it to a friend of yours and say, here, I've written something, how's it? That person will take one look at it and say, that's stupid. There goes your entire script. And you don't have to be saying, oh, you don't understand, but this is what I wanted to write. So if you want to write, then you have to start talking about what it is in it. So you're trying to say, I'm trying to explain a lot of stuff which is not there. So what I'm saying is, as you start doing it, you realize your pitfalls in whatever field you are. So start honing your skills. Then know the process. Filmmaking. If you want to go out and make a film, or if you want to be an editor or whatever, you have to know the process. And by knowing the process, I am not saying what you learn here at school. Here at school, if I give you a file to edit, okay, I've taken it in the movie format or AVI format. This is where I'll clip it. I'll clip it like this. The second layer is an AV layer, is a video layer. Third layer is a mixing layer. You'll know how to do it. That is not the process I'm talking about. That is your technical craft. The process is, how does a bloody movie get made? There is an entire thing which is they say pre-production, which people have heard of pre-production. Pre-production is a completely different thing. If you want to make a movie yourself, I'm saying, suppose you have a movie idea, you go to a producer. What will you do first? If you have a movie in your mind, what do you need first? Tell me, what do you need first if you have a movie? You need a story. So story, what do you have? You'll have to write it down. So it's not a story which you need. What will you need? You need a script. Now in India, they mix up between script and screenplay and dialogues, which is a very unique thing in India. Okay, in the West, a script is a script. It basically involves description of the scenes, it involves the screenplay, it involves dialogues. So you need to have a script. Once you have the script, what will you do? Tell me, what do you do when you have a script?
You register it.
Why the hell do you want to register your script? Because you think somebody is going to steal your script? No. You see, what we are getting into is a different thing. You want your movie to be made. So if you have a script, the next thing you look for is, who's the sucker who's going to produce it? Why would somebody try doing this? Try a simple exercise. Go back wherever you are to friends, ask your best friend, will he lend you $1,000 today? And he will say, why do you want to lend it? Just tell him, listen, I want to make a interesting DV film. Just lend me $1,000. Just try it on any of your friends and see the reaction. He will say, go to hell. He will say, why the hell should I do it? How do I get my money back? Why the hell should I lend it to you? I lent it to you last time. I didn't get anything back from you to you now. These are the questions which a producer will ask you. Okay. How do you answer that? So you have to answer your producers a question of, how will he get the money from your script? Now what I'm saying is that this process, which means that when you have a script, you need to have a story. Now you have had a story, you had a script, you need to find a producer. Who will act in your film? If you want to make it in Bollywood, who will act in your film? And what budget will it be made? Who will see it? What is the genre of the film? Where is your team? This is filmmaking. Filmmaking is not sitting there and looking at the camera and saying action roll and let's do this. That's not filmmaking. That is just a process of filmmaking. Filmmaking is putting this entire thing together. So don't get into it if you're a loner. One of my points here is you need to learn to manage people. If you're a brilliant person, you're a brilliant writer, you're a brilliant editor or a cinematographer, but you can't talk to people, you can't convey what you want to do, not through your lenses. Everybody knows you're great at lenses, but if you're sitting with somebody for half an hour and you're not able to talk to that person, for whatever reason, I'm not talking of body order here, I'm talking of for whatever reason you're not able to talk to the person, there is a problem. You may not become a filmmaker. And I'm not saying all filmmakers need to talk, but if you're a filmmaker, you need to learn to manage a team. And the team is not your best friends who are part of the cast and the crew. The team is strangers, financiers, producers, production people, accounts, marketing people. This is all your team, which you have now. I don't know whether you've been taught about this. How do you talk to them? You say, shit, yaar, I know filmmaking, but I don't know how to deal with this guy. I am not a marketing guy. I don't know what it is. I know filmmaking, but I don't know Excel stuff. Don't tell me anything about Excel. I don't know how to calculate sum. I don't know how to calculate the entire thing. What is my budget? I don't know what it is. I don't know what the rates are per day for this stuff. Don't be a filmmaker. Then either you need to have a father, a mother, a sister, a brother, or somebody in the film industry who will sit like a godfather and say, here kid, I'll give you the money, make a film. If you're lucky, then this entire talk which I'm having is wasted. If you're one of those lucky ones who's got a godfather in the industry, or a rich uncle, father, or whoever is willing to put money into your desires and ambitions, then this is the wrong lecture to be in. If you don't have that, you need to talk to people. You need to talk to people. I know some of the finest editors in the industry, and they've still made it. I know some cinematographers. Guy shoots brilliantly. I know some directors. They cannot just talk.